Hi, I'm Liz O'Sullivan Winslow. I'm a general dentist and I've been down in the medical center for the past 28 years. A question that a lot of people ask me is about snoring. And snoring can be a bigger problem than one thinks. It isn't just a noisy nuisance. It also can affect the people around you as well as your partner in the bedroom. It can cause problems. It can lead to fatigue, tiredness, and it can also be a sign of sleep apnea. In a normal person, the muscles that control the tongue and soft palate when sleeping keep the airway open. In snoring, these muscles relax, and so the airway narrows. In sleep apnea, the airway is completely constricted and they have a hard time getting any air out. So if you have any of these problems, we can help you with a snoring appliance called a SomnoMed. I realize that the CPAP is the golden standard, but the SomnoMed is great for people who travel or who are not tolerant to the CPAP. So if you'd like some more information, please call us at 713-795-5905 or contact us at www.drodds.net. Thank you so much.